Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how I prepare my homemade African black soap shampoo, and I could go on and on about the amazing benefits of this shampoo and about the benefits of black soap. But first I'm going to quickly show you guys the key ingredients of this shampoo. First up is black soap, and then I have my honey. Then I have my bunch of essential oils ranging from castor oil to amla oil to cocoa oil and olive oil. All of these oils help to moisturize and nourish my hair one way or the other. After my oils, I have my black tea bags. Now, black tea is one of the ways that I stop breakage, and I found a way to incorporate it into my shampoo. So yeah, there's that. And then I have my aloe vera leaf. So these are all of the essential ingredients that I include in my shampoo, and all of the ingredients work amazingly well to nourish my hair, to moisturize my hair and scalp, to prevent breakage, to help fight any form of hair diseases, and to just keep my hair in good health. To mix my shampoo, I have this huge 2-liter bowl. This is actually an ice cream bowl, but you can use any bowl or any jar that you please. And then I have this graduated cup to make sure that my measurements of liquids, especially water, are on track. So I'm going to start off by preparing most of the ingredients that are going to go into my black soap shampoo, and this is me pouring in about 400 ml of hot water into my cup. I'm going to drop 2 black tea bags in there to start infusing, and then I'm going to go ahead and prepare my aloe vera. Now I'm going to come back to the benefits of black tea in a minute, but to prepare my aloe vera this time I'm going to do the right thing and cut off the green outer part of the aloe vera and the ends, which are not going to be needed for this. Now this is what this end looks like, and like I said, it's not going to be needed for this. I'm just going to need the inner gel like part. So I'm going to cut my aloe into pieces to make cleaning out the gel a little easier. For the benefits of aloe vera, I've mentioned this in my previous videos. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, E, B12 and folic acid, and the primary reason I keep using it in my hair growth formulas is that it promotes healthy hair growth and healthy cell growth. It also promotes shiny hair, and it keeps your hair from falling out. Now aloe vera also helps to cleanse your scalp, it helps to thicken your hair, and it moisturizes your hair and keeps your hair in good condition. So I'm simply going to go ahead and blend my aloe vera, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to set it aside and proceed to prepare some shea butter. Yes, shea butter. Sorry, I didn't mention this earlier as the key ingredients, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare some shea butter. This is raw shea butter, by the way, and I purchased this at my local market. So I'm simply going to just cut a little bit of it to add into my black soap shampoo. So what I'm going to do with my shea butter is that I'm going to melt it down into an oil to make it infuse into the black soap easier. And yeah, that is going to be that. By the way, my shea butter is really soft, which makes cutting off the quantity that I need really easy. Shea butter comes in a lot of different colors. The one that I'm using here is yellow. If you're going to get raw shea butter, it comes in a variety of colors. I don't want you guys to go thinking that because you purchased this shea butter or that shea butter, you didn't get the right thing. The important thing is that you purchase it from your local market. These shea butters that are refined, they usually smell different, and once you perceive the smell, you're going to kind of know that it's not the original thing. Now for the preparation of my African black soap, this is how African black soap comes. This is the packaging. It is raw and it's unrefined. So this is how it looks like when you purchase it from the market, and I'm simply going to cut off the quantity that I'm going to be using for this shampoo. I used a little more than half. So what I'm simply going to do is I'm going to shave off this black soap into my bowl, and I'll go ahead to pour some hot water into it. Now let's talk a little about African black soap. As the name implies, African black soap has African origins or roots, and some of the dominant ingredients of this soap are burnt plantain ashes, shea tree bark, cocoa, palm kernel oil, coconut oil. It's important to note that the ingredients in this soap vary based on where the soap is produced, but these are some of the key ingredients used in making it. Now, for the benefits, plantain contains iron, it contains vitamin A and vitamin B. Shea butter contains antioxidants, and palm kernel oil and coconut oil have moisturizing properties. And all of these ingredients combined help to create African black soap, which has been used as a hair and beauty product for many years, and which also helps to cleanse your scalp and your skin, to moisturize your hair and your skin in most cases, and to help grow your natural hair and your skin to their healthiest state. So here my African black soap is finished. By finished I mean the shaving aspect. This is what it looks like. I decided to shave it instead of cutting it into dices to make it easier to dissolve. So I'm simply going to pour in some hot water. I made a mistake here. I used more hot water than I needed, totally forgetting about the black tea which I put into hot water. Now that hot water goes in here as well. That made the consistency of my shampoo watery instead of thick, but that's fine. And this is my melted shea butter. You can see it's a clear yellow oil. It's hot, and I poured it into my black soap so that it infused at once and as well. And now this is my black tea, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour that into the black soap. I started to pour in other ingredients into my African black soap before the soap was completely dissolved, to help everything to infuse properly, everything except the oils. So here I'm simply stirring my black soap, and you can see it's already dissolving. If you choose to do this, you don't have to use as much water as I did. This is almost 2 liters of water, so you don't have to use as much water as I did, especially if you want a thicker consistency. So for the quantity of soap that I used, about half this quantity of water is fine. So this is my shampoo 2 days later, and at this point the black soap is completely dissolved. You don't have to leave your soap in the water for as long as I did, but at this point I'm simply stirring my shampoo to make sure that everything is dissolved. You can see the color of the shampoo looks black from afar, but it's actually a dark brown, a very dark brown, the color of black coffee. So at this point I'm going to go ahead and pour in the rest of my ingredients. So I'm putting in just 1 tablespoonful of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, a natural moisturizer, but I did not want to add in too much, so a tablespoonful was enough for me. Now it's important to know that these quantities are relative to the container you're going to be using, and I did not add in too much oils to my shampoo because I wanted shampoo to lather as much as possible. But if you're going to be using a smaller container, if you're going to make a smaller quantity of shampoo, you may need to use the same measurements that I used here, which is basically 1 tablespoonful of honey, 1 tablespoonful of Jamaican black castor oil, 1 tablespoonful of Amla oil, 1 tablespoonful of Kaka oil, and 1 tablespoonful of coconut oil. Now, adding oils to your mixture does not take away anything from your shampoo. Instead, it adds to the moisturizing benefits of your shampoo, it adds to the hair growth benefits of your shampoo, and it even enables you to use your shampoo to detangle your hair properly, which is what I do when I wash my hair. So here my shampoo is ready to be poured into bottles, and I'm just using my graduated cup because I don't own a funnel for some reason. So I'm simply going to fill my graduated cup and proceed to pour the shampoo into shampoo bottles. Now you may use a funnel or a strainer to strain your shampoo to make it easier for you, and also to get rid of any particles that are left once you're done with your shampoo, but I didn't strain it for some reason. So these are the particles at the bottom of the container. I'm just going to dispose of this, and yeah, that's basically it, guys. My shampoo is ready to be used. And we have come to the end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Kindly click the subscribe button and tap the bell beside so you'll be notified whenever I post new content. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment or question in the section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.